Welcome back. We're about to go get the delivery of the Audi, new to me, 2013 A8L. Not in the best condition. Needs work, definitely. So the tow truck driver just called. Apparently the car has a dead battery, like completely dead, and we need a new battery. Booster couldn't get it, couldn't boost it. Let's go get a new battery. A little backstory. So from the auction, we know that the car has a coolant leak, and that's all. That's pretty much it. Coolant leak and some body damage that we could fix. It's not a problem. Don't know how the engine is. Don't know anything else. Just that the tow truck driver said the battery is completely dead. We need a new battery. I'm going to get a new battery right now. He should be here in an hour or so. Documenting all of this for you guys. This is the third project car already. Here I found something, 240 at AutoZone right here. Let's go see. Let's go check it out. Found it. I think it's the same one. Да, я знаю, надо исправить.
Но чека нету.
Нету?
Не горит.
За батареей, наверное.
Не. 240, по-моему, на спидометре.
Да.
Сиденье переднее в говно, а зад хороший.
Посмотрим.
Поэтому здесь полностью надохшая. И я когда на ней ехал, пневма не поднималась.
Это плохо.
И тут на пневма, как здесь мотор будет. А так хороший. Так. Разлезем. Хороший стейк поставить сюда 4 литра. Пиздец, всем BMW.
Вот она под этим, по-моему.
Подпахивает здесь. Вон батарея.
Не, она здесь, она под запаской. Нет, да? Или... Да, она под запаской стоит.
One eternity later.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck? It took us 1 hour to get it started. 1 whole hour, because first we tried to boost it with the other car. He took out the jumper cables, didn't work. He said in Russian, this one Honda engine is like the size of your one suspension. And we tried that, didn't work. We put my booster, pretty good booster, didn't work. And then we tried the battery that I bought, the replacement battery. It worked. We started it up, and then I drove straight home, parked it. No, I got gas, and then I parked it at home. And then what happened was I got my brother's computer, hooked it up, and I saw that there's codes showing, and the codes were transmission, cooler, solenoid, something like that. There will be a picture up, and it's a little valve that need a replacement, and we changed that. There's gonna be a video with Wilmer, amazing mechanic. We changed the transmission fluid, we changed the gaskets, the oil cooler gasket. That thing was leaking, the oil cooler was leaking, we changed that. So this was the first refuel on an empty tank. It's 20 gallons and it's $93. That's insane. Power steering fluid is leaking because the reservoir is shot. Waiting for that. Ordered it on eBay. Just put a full tank. Let's see. So this is the first ride to the mechanic. Just gonna go and take a look, see what's wrong, what needs to be replaced, and we'll go from there. Из этого она спускает, здесь линк сломанный, а из этого спускает она, да?
Да.
А,
Вот, видишь, вау, файная проблем. О, свет оторванный, брейк сенсор, что брейк горит.
это что такое?
Контрол, трансмиссион контрол. Их два тут стоит.
Заказал я вот эту штучку мне.
Вот этот.
Someone cut the brake wire. That's why the brake keeps showing. That's insane. It's right here. Tires are done. Yeah. So we hot wired this. This is the transmission cooler solenoid. But the wire corroded from antifreeze leak. We hot wired it for now. Temporary fix. Should work. Now we should do a temporary fix here until I get the part. The link is fully out. This is a level sensor. Next is the brake light. And then probably oil. So much crap going on. Is the headlight, the front right fog light, or DRL, or whichever stays on. So I just took the dash off and there's water in here. This is the headlight controller. There's water. Look at that. Shit. We gotta get the J519 module. It's somewhere over there. So it's so hard to reach here, but this is the module that gets wet. The rainwater goes in here. This is under the steering wheel. Oh God. This is very uncomfortable. But that's the model number we need. That's the part number we need. I was reading online that the water gets clogged up here in the cowl and the sunroof. I cleaned out the sunroof. I got a special wire. I don't even know where it is. Cleaned out the sunroof. Now look what's inside here. So many leads. So what happens is the water starts dripping down right down here into the module, and then look, that's from the rain today. I didn't drive it at all, so I removed everything just to clear it out. Like I said, sunroof is clean. This is the cowl. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Took off one of, so I took off one of the drains. This is what's in there. And this was all the way over here. Look at that. That's what drains into the fuse box. Oh man. Alright, time to clean it out. Just change the glass. So what was happening was the old glass, when you push it from here, you can actually see the glass come out from the outside. So it was leaking water in and it was messing up the module that's under there, the J519. And that's what was going on. That's why the light was turning on, the high beam. So trying to get this car back in shape again. Slowly. We just changed the brake pads yesterday. Oil change, transmission fluid, everything. Just a little more work. And we changed the tires right now, 2 front tires. You could see the wires on them. These are the 2 brand new ones.
This one, right?
Yeah.
You going to Maria? Huh? It's good? You back and forth, Maria.
Масло
Тут
или...
она сказать когда.
We're gonna do balance right now.
Ну вот,
Вот я...
We're changing the transmission cooler valve. We got Mr. Wilmer here. So we're gonna change this part. This is the transmission cooler valve. And change it with the old one. It's giving an error.
Yeah, now maybe rain, now you catch, you have to work it.
So this is what we're dealing with right here. A lot of antifreeze. Look at the wires. Harness. Why does it fail? What happened to it? Why it fails?
Resistor inside.
Huh?
Resistor. O cylinder inside.
Oh, the cylinder.
Y el coil.
Ah,
Read different resistor.
so this is the new one going in right now. This is the old one. Solenoid is not good. It's a pretty quick job. Wow. So we got the car ride level sensor. So what happened was that level sensor I got, this is for the left side. I made a big mistake when I ordered. I didn't read the whole thing. So we just broke off a portion of it. I'm gonna replace this. The old one is broken. And the new one, just gotta get it off right and not break this one. So I just reapplied some grease and now we're gonna put it in. Wow. Not as easy as it looks. So we replaced it. We put grease. The mechanic yelled at me, said, "Put grease." Now we just gotta tighten it. And put some grease on the old one. So we connected everything. Now I gotta drive around for about, I don't know, 50 miles. I already drove 40 miles. Gotta make sure no lights come on the dash. I'm driving for 2 days just to make sure that it passes the emissions inspection. And I think we're ready. Just waiting for evap. I don't know if I should keep driving or it says it's ready. Oh man, it finally passed the inspection right there.